Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry I got a call on another video, so I had to stop it. I'm still at the store thing. I didn't miss much. So, I want to buy one of these, but I don't know which one I want.
What should I get?
Or maybe I won't buy any of them. What's this? I can buy clothes. I'm not buying that. I don't really like pink.
What should I get?
Oh, I think I'm actually good. Oh no. Why are all these people keep getting in trouble? Get away from me. Ow, you jerkwads. Can you stop whacking the poor guy? Where's the last one at? I'm scared. Oh, there you are. Turn the screen. You can thank me now. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm gonna break down the door. I regret it. Run.
Those jerks trapped us in here.
Ah, turn the screen. Oh, you jerkwads. Now everybody knows if zombies ever come to pick a chainsaw. No more! Ew. I don't want any pop quizzes.
Thanks a lot.
Oh wait, a zombie killed a zombie.
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop.
Oh god.
A zombie with a gun? No fair.
I know it's not fair. But I got mad skill. Ow. Never go against a zombie cop, people. Right through. Damn, I jumped through that guy. Okay, that's cool. Don't really care though. Ah, this is hard. Ugh. Okay. Darn it, wrong button. He had blood all over. Oh god.
Oh man. Their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away.
Really? I didn't know that yet.
Come on.
How was that fun?
Oh shoot, I forgot.
Oops. I did it again.
No! Shoot! I didn't know. I could have done it. I could have done it. No. Man. Shoot! Well, that's a bummer. I didn't see the TNT on them. I hope I, got a checkpoint or something at least. Ugh, that's nice. Oh, I have to start here again. Let me pause it. Just killed the zombie cop. So now I gotta try cutting open this dumb thing again. Girl power once again.
No!
It's your stupidity. And why do they even have that on them?
Their bodies
I
are
want
wrapped
that.
with bombs.
Gimme,
We
gimme,
need to
gimme.
hit him and run away
Ah,
before they
that's weird
explode.
control there.
Fun!
How was that fun?
Get me up here. Why is all of them crashing?
Oh my god!
Ah, what the heck is this?
Hurry, hurry, hurry. I don't want to get hit by a bus. Yeah, skill. He got a good view on my butt. Look at my butt. Oh shoot. Yes, I need this. Oh, not again, not again, not again, not again, not again. Where's the last one at? Oh, boo-hoo.
Those zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
Really? You disappeared too. Haha. Uh-oh. Alright, I got that. Hey, he said it, not me. I meant no. He is. I didn't mean I am. I'm just saying he is, not me.
Look what those jerks did to our school!
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday.
Ha.
John!
Oh, shoot.
I'll be back for you! Uncool, asshole!
Well, that's nice of you. No. Oh. That's pleasant. Oh, I'm not no stripper or pole dancer. Okay? I just keep spinning it. At least I'm gonna be a good one. Oh yeah, look at my skill. I guess I could make a good one. That's skill, at least. You still got TNT on you, by the way. Yeah, I gotta get this up. Ah. Oh yeah, get that fiery head. Bad zombies.
That's the dude
Okay.
who stranded us. And he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick!
Or we could.
Oh shoot! I need that. Hold on.
Juliet, I'm
Oh, that's fast.
totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
What? Did I hear that right? No thank you. I got Nick here at my book. I'm good. I'm good. Just no. Ah. Oh, that was close. I'm the one that jumped down there. Come on.
So what are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Watch me, Nick.
Oh great, I suck at these. Can they all be A? Or are they gonna like screw me up? Oh, that's cool.
If it bleeds, I can kill it.
Nice.
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
Oh my god.
Watashi mo Nihongo o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
This game is so cool.
There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam.
Oh, I got 3 minutes to do something.
What? Game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time
Oh,
for killing
God.
of zombies. How many points can you rack up? It seems like a one-sided game. 3 points.
What do we have here this time? Basketball? Why basketball? Just don't throw my head with the hoop.
I'm gonna throw your head in the Ow! Jerkwad.
3 points. 3 points.
That's it, dude. Come at me, bro.
Fantastic.
This is fun. Zombie basketball. Ow.
Nice shot.
Just gotta watch out for the goalie guy. Oh, is that cheerleader?
3 points.
Ow. Oh, jerks. Jerks. Too many of them. I need a lollipop, please. She has a leg. Come on. What are you doing to me?
Nice shot. 3 points. 3 points.
How am I scoring? The world will never know.
Nice shot.
Ow. I got 100.
Wow.
Yay.
What a turnaround.
Yes.
The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see
Who's
you in
talking
action again.
this? Seriously, who is like
Where's
saying
that
that?
voice coming from?
I was wondering the same thing. And I don't know my checkpoint, so I don't know where to stop the video either.
Mommy!
Ha ha ha.
We need to get out of here.
Okay, where am I going? Hurry up, come on.
I wonder what they have.
Probably not a lot. I'll buy that.
That's
Okay.
it! Oh?
I got a call. I don't know how to answer the call.
Ready?
I have no idea what I just pushed. Yeah! I didn't mean mean to push that either. What if I am late? Oh shoot. Shoot.
Yeah, I had biology in here. I dissected a frog.
Good for you, man.
That's gross.
Ha!
This day is completely unexpected.
Really? I didn't know that. Ow, you jerk rods.
OMG.
Oh man, don't these dudes ever stop coming?
I don't know. We're at the school. Oh, I get to put your head on the thingy again?
Oh well.
I got it.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, wrong button.
Lame.
Darn it.
9, 10.
Ah! It's dangerous to run. Dangerous.
Oh, shit.
Hey, it's that dark skin hat.
You guys have no
Oh my
respect.
god.
I'm gonna F you up.
I'm gonna F you in. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop this video here. I know it's probably the bad part because I gotta fight these two cop thingies. And I guess for the next video, I'm gonna already beat them. I'm gonna keep playing till I get to the new spot on the map. And then, of course, you know, I'll keep playing the game. It's a good game. I would recommend it. Be an awesome zombie hunting machine. So, as always, like, comment, share, do whatever you do, you know, subscribe, get the word around. And until next time, bye.